Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to see backup photos in Google Photos. Here on the Google Photos, you need to make sure that you sign in your account, as you can see at the top right corner, where you can find the profile picture. Now right here, as you can see, the backup is off, so you just need to turn this on to back up some photos on Google Photos. So where we can find that backup photos, so all you need to do here is just open a Google Chrome. Now here on the Google Chrome, as you can see, you need to search for photos.google.com, and then right from here you just need to tap on this link, and all you need to do here is to change the Gmail account that we are using on our Google Photos. And that's it. That's how you basically see backup photos in Google Photos. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.